Good morning, everybody. I have the S&P 500. The time is 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific time and 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Yesterday on that S&P, when it went up, we bought the call contracts and we updated that morning trade and we're updating it again. And just let me be clear to everybody, they had got it above that baseline, which was a 100-day moving average. And I said that the white line is a 50-day moving average, and that 50-day moving average is 2672.4. We're going to come down there, and I'll tell you why. I won't be wrong. So making a market like we did yesterday, we had a great move with the call contracts. This is the daily chart that we're working with. The 10-day moving average is the blue line there at 27.19. Right now we're at 27.13 on the S&P 500. And here, I can show you right here what the S&P 500 is doing and why we did it. We did it because it's a trading range that has been here for a while. Now, I'm going to show the S&P 500. It's going to be right here. It's right here at 2712. And we're below the 10-day. We're below the 100-day. That 2700 area is acting as support. The volatility and Trump tariffs are there. So basically, we had a big rally yesterday, and we are short today. And, you know, directional price movement is everything. The Dow Jones, when we look at it, it's down 219 right now. So yesterday's big gains closing at 300. I'm sorry. This is price action volatility, and it's going to stay here, and no one is going to change it. No one will change 2018 price volatility, and it will knock that day trader head off. They don't know how to deal with it. Here, let's take a look at the Dow. Here's the Dow Jones. That white line is a 50-day simple moving average on that Dow Jones right here. Yesterday, they had their up day. That white line is the 50-day simple moving average on the Dow, and that is at exactly 24,384. And we're going to come down, and no one's going to stop it. That's on the Dow. So let's take a look at the NASDQ composite. Now, NASDQ composite has been stronger than all of them because of the big tech, and we're above the 10-day moving average, so we're able to find great stocks like Google. I will be doing that live trade. So that there is what the NASDQ composite. NASDQ 100 is the 100 stocks in the NASDQ, period. And we can see how strong that is. We can also say the following. And here's what I want to tell you. Let's go to the trend tool. Now, clear all. Here's the horizontal resistance on the NASDQ 100. And we're hitting that wall of resistance because of one thing. Stocks in the NASDQ, the big leadership are doing good. You take the Apple, you take the Google, and you take all the penny stocks. This was that gap down. And that date there was on 5/15. Now, this is the wall of resistance that the NASDQ 100 is going to be, that resistance is going to be strong as it is right now. So, on the NASDQ composite, on daily update, we have that, like I said. So basically, it had the gap down there, and we've had multiple days in up and down ranges. This right now is what we refer to as a double cross, meaning that that's a doji so far on today's date. Remember, it's 5:31. It's 10:05 in the morning update for all of our traders, and anybody that would like to participate, you're welcome. So basically, these rallies that we had yesterday, that wasn't going to be, look at, we bought put options on some stuff, and we bought put options again on this S&P 500. I mean, look at it. Yesterday got it all the way back up here, and we bought puts at the closing bell. And today, what we're enjoying is where that next selling round will happen, and I'll tell you exactly. That next round of selling on the S&P, I'm showing that the price came down below the 100-day, and there's the 20-day moving average. That's acting as support. So this is our morning update with all of our traders. This is what that S&P 500 reversal is. We're below the 10-day moving average. We actually hooked below that 100-day moving average, and we tested the 20-day simple moving average, and that's where the S&P 500 got a bounce on short term. The S&P 500 will crash this summer, and I hope that all people can be here with their trading accounts and enjoy everything that's going to happen forward looking. I'm concluding the update for all our traders, and I'm going to put the video out now. 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 1 o'clock Eastern Time, and we have a problem right here. And we've had a range for a few weeks, and that's our support level for now. Once they break it, the selling will increase.